So what's good, guys? Good morning everybody. It's your boy KokusFx. In this video I'm gonna be taking you guys on a house tour to where I'm living. You guys can't wait to see it. Let me give you guys a glance of how the place looks like. So you can see the building behind me, the building you can see behind me. That's where I live. So in this video I'm gonna be taking you guys inside there to see how the place is arranged, to see how my room is arranged. So if you want to see the inside of my room and how everywhere is arranged, you can see. Just imagine how inside that place will be. It doesn't even look like where person live. It just look like a haunted house. It's crazy. So you guys should stick to the video. Let me take you guys inside and show you guys how the inside looks like. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button now. So let's get into my room. Let's go. So what's up, guys? I'm at the door to my house. So for you to enter now, as you guys can see, I'm carrying bag. So if I'm going in and coming out, I'm always with bag because of the flood. So this is my house behind. Have you seen it? So these are my guys. They are changing up so that we're gonna cross the water. You see that? So he's changing up. So you guys should stick to the video so that I will show you guys how the inside of this building behind me looks like. So you guys should hold on and let's go. Big boy. That shit. Wow. That's me over there. So what's up, guys? We just crossed the river. As you can see, my guys are behind me, and you guys should stick around so I will show you guys how the inside looks like. So this is where we came from. You see, that was where we were. So that's my guy holding my cat over there. So you guys should wait and let me show you guys how the inside of this haunted place looks like. Although it's not a haunted place, it's not a haunted house. Okay, so you guys should wait and anticipate the interior of the house. So guys, we just crossed the water now, and that is my door behind me. So you guys should wait and check out how the inside is. That's my guy over there. That's both of them, big boys type shit. So you guys should just wait and see how the inside looks like. Three of us, it's not three of us that is staying here, it's only me. Before you guys will start saying how will this bed contain three of you, because the bed is too small and you guys can't wait to see it. So stick to the video and see how the inside looks like. So guys, this is my door behind me, so I'm going to be taking you guys inside the house so you guys will see how it looks like and how I kept it for now. So let me open the door. So the door just opened now. So let's go inside and see how the inside looks like. Okay, so we are inside. I know you'll be like, so human being lives here. So this is where I'm staying for now. So let me open the window now so you guys will see how the. So I just opened the window. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how I arrange all the places. So guys, this is the inside. I want to show you guys how the inside looks like. As you can see behind me, the place my clothes is hanging. That is where I hang my clothes. Understand? So if I come back, if I don't feel tired, I don't hang it there. And this place, you can see here now, this is my cream. This is Familiar. Forex trader where they rub Familiar. So this is my Familiar cream here. And that's my toothbrush over there. And you guys can't wait to see my bed. So let me show you guys my bed. So as you can see, let me show you guys. Okay, it's not showing well. Okay, as you can see behind me is my bed. It's my bed. So let me turn it and show you. So guys, let me show you guys my bed and my kitchen. So this is my bed. So this is my bed here. This is where I sleep. This is my bed. So you guys just saw my bed now. That's where I sleep. You guys be asking, why is your bed too small? Will that contain you? So see my bed here. So you guys see very well. This is my bed. So and you guys will be like, bro, this bed is too small. Will you even feel comfortable? Anyway, the reason why I made that bed like that is not for comfortability. Like I want myself to be uncomfortable every day because that will keep me going. That will keep me grinding harder. Okay, so that's why I made the bed as little as it is. I want it to be very small so that every day if I wake up, I'll know that, bro, this place is not for you. This place is not comfortable for you, so work harder. So that's why the bed is like that. Actually, the bed was bigger than this, so I'm the one that used knife and cut it to that size so that it's a kind of discipline. You understand? So let me guys now show you my setup where I study. So let me show you guys. So guys, this is why I study. Because my cat is sitting on it. So that is why I study. Let me show you guys again. So this is why I study. This that block you're seeing over there, and you can see that's my book over there. So that's why I study. And this place, one funny thing about this place is that I will be awake 12 a.m., 2 a.m., 1 a.m. studying, and what you'll be hearing will be you guys, you can see the route that we passed through. It is water, and frog and toad food that water. So in the night they'll be doing and that will be unpleasant, but I'm used to it though. I'm gonna be getting out of here very soon by the special grace of God. So guys, now let me show you guys my kitchen where I cook. So this is where I cook here. So I just bought a 7 kg gas, and that's my plot over there. So so that's where I cook for now. That's what I manage for now. And guys, let me show you guys my morning routine and evening routine, like things I do every morning and every night before I go to bed and before I go out for the day. So this is it. So if you look closely what I wrote here, you see that you see what I wrote. These are things that I will do when I wake up in the morning. So now let me read it out for you guys. So the first thing I will do in the morning, I will pray if I wake up in the morning. Secondly, I will exercise, as you can see, at least 20 push-ups in the morning. Then thirdly, sweep the house. Then go through the chart. I will go through my chart. So after I sweep the house finish, I'll go through my chart. So now let me read the third one. I'm gonna clean the dishes. Then the fifth one, I'm gonna eat if food is available, as you can see. And then the last one is I'm gonna brush because I love brushing after eating. I don't love seeing yellow particles on my teeth. It pisses me off. So now let me show you guys what I do every night before I sleep. So then I'll repeat the process. Now look at the night one. My night routine before bed. The first one, I'm gonna exercise. I'm gonna bathe, take dinner if there's any dinner. I'm gonna brush and then pray, then study until I feel asleep. So the last one is crazy because I'm gonna be studying till I feel asleep. That's how my night usually goes. I'm gonna be do everything, then go to the chat and then do some other things. Then I'm gonna be studying till sleep carry me off. So that's how I do my night. Now, so guys, I haven't show you guys the most important part of my setup here. Let me show you guys. This is what I this is what I look for. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys something. So when I sit down, watch the as you can see, I sample stuff upon. So look at this one. Confirmation before taking a trade. So I'm going to be reading my confirmation now before taking a trade. So let me read that for you guys. So the first one, I'm going to map out the key levels, support and resistance. Must have multiple touches. Second one, confirming the market trend, be that bullish or bearish or ranging. Then a key level either at the support or resistance zone. Then the fourth one, wait for a confirmation. Then 5-1 TP should be either at the point of swing high or swing low, at the point of swing that kind of stuff. So secret rules for drawing support and resistance. So let me just quickly read it for you guys. So guys, and this is what keeps me going every day. Let me show you guys. This is what keeps me going. Look at what I wrote here. Good things don't come easily. Failure builds your improvement. KokusFx. So this is what I tell myself every day. So now let me show you guys the general stuff that kept me hitting TP back to back and also SL back to back. So this is it. This is my confidence before taking a trade. Number 1, check the market trend. Number 2, map out the key levels. Number 3, wait for price to retest to get to the recent key level. Patiently wait for price to get to the recent support level that you mapped out. Wait for the confirmation of a Japanese candlestick at a key level. Then a bullish engulfing or any other reversal candlestick, and see all of that. So that is what I look for before taking a trade. So guys, I think that this is the end of the video. And okay, let me show you guys this last one, this thing before we wrap up the video. So this is my mirror here. Are you see my mirror? This is my mirror tie shit. So that's my mirror there. That's why I watch myself. If I dressed up and I want to go, I'll be like, oh man, I'm looking good. I'm looking good. So that's what I do in my mirror. So that is it for now. That is it for now. So guys, let me tell you guys something then. Thank you for watching this video to this extent. I really appreciate it. It's not easy. So guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, because very soon I'm gonna be making a tour on my $1 million mansion, and you don't want to miss it. And then you'll be like, bro, I know when this guy started. This guy started from nothing, and now he's something. Because I'm gonna be something. And you that is watching me, so guys, I wanted to tell you guys something. Sorry, the video ended. As you're watching me now, I want you to subscribe to the channel and leave a very huge thumbs up on the video, because as you watch me tour my haunted house, that's not a haunted house. As you watch me tour my small space that I'm staying for the moment, I want you guys to witness when I'm going to be touring my $1 million mansion, and I want you guys to watch it. So subscribe to the channel. And another thing, very important, I don't want you guys to only be watching me, understand? I want all of us to be great, understand? So whatever you're doing, either forex or business, anything you're doing at all, just be consistent and determined, and be like, oh, Kokus has stored his small space. I want before he will tour his mansion, I want to be made also. So as I'm grinding, I want all of us to be grinding together. I don't want to be like, oh, I know when the guy started. I wish I started when he started. I don't want that kind of thing. So I want everybody to be successful, so that when we mount, they're gonna say ball has done mount, big boy. So let me show you guys my car before I end the video. What, Luna? When Luna. Carry them come. You guys should wait. I want to show you guys my car before I end the video. Well, the video goes to end. So I want to show you guys my cats. I just bought it. They are my pet. They keep me company here each time, because in this my house, rats, cockroach, full everywhere. So they are helping me get rid of all those stuff. So wait, let me go then. So this is my cat. Say hello. Luna just said hello to you guys, and this is Milaiski, my guy. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I love you all. Remain blessed. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Bye. I come on this thing, yeah. Bye bye.